Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Eid Mubarak to all of you. So today's makeup it's going to be a get ready with me for this Eid, and today's makeup I thought to start with eyes makeup first, eyes and eyebrows. So here I'm going to do eyebrows first. I'm going to use this brush for filling my eyebrows wherever I need it. So this is the Hudabeauty palette. It's eyeshadow palette, but I use it like for my eyebrows. I have taken black and brown shade to fill in. Taking this Maybelline concealer for my eyelids, I'm going to spread it all over my eyelid here, and I will set this with the loose powder or compact powder. This is Hudabeauty's palette. I'm going to use as my transition shade. I'm going to pick this pink shade from here, blending it properly. I thought to use a tape method today. It gives a very nice look. Again, taking a shimmer pink shade, applying on all over my eyelid. Taking golden shade from the same palette. This shade is really amazing. And this is Hudabeauty's eyeliner. It's a sketch eyeliner. It's a very nice eyeliner. It gives a very nice wing. And although I am using this cellotape here, so it's great to achieve this eye look. Using Hudabeauty's 3D eyelashes. These are amazing. So now I'm done with the eye makeup and applying my primer for my base makeup. Here's the concealer I'm applying. This is from Maybelline Fit Me. Using my beauty blender to blend everything out. This is the foundation I'm going to use today. This is from L'Oreal Infallible. I really give good time to blend my makeup, like base makeup. Here is the loose powder I'm using for baking my under eyes. This is the Kajal. I'm going to use it from Oriflam. It really stays for long. So I'm just applying a thick eye Kajal, and after that I'm going to blend it with the eyeshadow. So here I'm going to pick this brown shade and I'm going to smudge it everywhere. Applying a little bit of mascara on my lower eyelashes, and here is the bronzer I'm using from Oriflam. This is the Bronzer Plus blush which I'm using right now. It really gives you a very nice and natural look. This is the highlighter palette from Savannah. And the lip shade is from Maybelline. It's a very nice pink shade. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video then please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.